Hi guys, my friends from Singapore. I'm coming to Singapore tomorrow on 17th of September, and we are organizing an event called Northeast Festival. There, I'm Zubin Garg from Bollywood and Assam and Northeast, and I'll be coming to join you, and I invite you, all of you, to join us for this cultural event. It's not only culture, it's a traditional event from Northeast. We organize in different places, and this time we are doing it in Suntec City, Singapore. So all are invited. See you there. I'll be there. I'll be performing. I'll be talking to you, and I'll be there with you. Thank you and love you, Singapore, all people. Thank you very much.